Today I've got something a little weirder for you, but this is something I've been able to do for a while, and I just thought it's about time I showed you. I can do the noises of trains, working on a ship horn, and all that. First one, I'll do Intercity 125 high speed train noise. In comments, if you think I'm accidentally making a mistake with the noise, do tell me in comments below. But anyway, without further ado, here it is. So that's that one. Now again, here we go with another train, the Turbo Star, the train that goes through Beverly. Again, this isn't actually a train as you'll see. This is actually me imitating them. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And there you go. I think that is it. Again, in the comments below if you think that isn't right, then tell me. Anyway, without further ado, please enjoy.